Sugar bush is loaded with snow. I went up to Bascom's Maple Farm a couple weeks ago with my wife up in New Hampshire. Grabbed a bunch more pails for the upper sugar bush, the traditional pails that you hang on the tree. I'm going to start changing just about all of my buckets to pails, the ones that are up here. Bascom's is a really cool place to check out. It's up in New Hampshire. I've got to get the right town, Adelaide or something like that. Anything you want from maple syruping, sugaring, it's in there. They've got a back room with all used aluminum buckets, some galvanized buckets if you want them for crafts or something like that, or put liners in them to use for your sugaring operation. So it's a good way of getting some good used equipment. Plus you can get, you know, hooks, spouts, tubes, you name it, you can get it up there, and it's a great ride. And if you're coming from the Connecticut area, it's not too far. I'll go show you the buckets that I bought. I picked up 11 here, so I'll have a total of about 23 buckets. When you do pick these up, make sure you check what size holes they have, depending on how you want to tap yours. I'm going to try and go with the old-timey taps, and those can fit right into the holes. Really easy to work these buckets. I'm preferring them over plastic buckets with the tubing. These look cool. It's going to make the upper sugar bush look very nice, very traditional, and make it a lot easier when I'm trying to haul out my sap this year. And when you go up there, there's a big pile of them. You can pick through them, separate them. Now I prefer when I get the old galvanized covers, but this is what they had. They were new, so I picked up some of these, and those slide on. I'll open these up. And again, that's Bascom up in New Hampshire. If you haven't been up there, check it out. And also check out their book written by Douglas Wynot. Talks about Bascom Maple Farms and what they do up there, and really the history of how it became what it is.